morning everyone, guten Morgen. Hello everyone, we have a new bike, so Yamaha R1, and I will show you the bike now. Alright, so this is the bike. It's a Yamaha R1 2009 model. The first registration was 2009, but actually this model is from 2007 till 2008. So as you can see, there's a few damaged parts on the bike. The mirrors aren't from R1, I think it's from the Kawasaki model. As you can see, the front headlight is broken. There are a few scratches on the sides, as you can see. This plastic will need to repaint. Here is scratches as well. I saw here scratches, so basically need to paint the front, the sides, and the rear plastic as well. So the speedometer bracket is broken as well. The front fairing is broken. On the other side, everything is fine. The tire is good. Basically small. I think this project will be easy. There will be just need to replace the headlight, the plastics, and other things are fine. The frame, the forks, everything is straight. So alright, the battery is dead, so I will change the battery, and then I will show you how the bike runs. Now just I'm waiting for the parts and we will move on. So the bike runs good, everything is fine. Alright, so thank you for watching. So next step, I'm waiting for the parts, the headlight bracket and few other things, and then I will show you the part 2 where I will remove the all broken parts and replace with the new ones. So